LED lighting has emerged as a pivotal element, seamlessly integrated by creative minds, to enhance the aesthetic appeal of living spaces. From the cozy confines of bedrooms to the bustling energy of kitchens and the communal comfort of living rooms, LED lights have the power to infuse just the right touch, elevating every corner with a unique atmosphere. In this article, we'll explore some imaginative ideas to use LED lighting, enabling you to craft a distinct ambience in your living room tailored to your mood. Mood-enhancing hues. One captivating way to utilize LED lighting is by exploring the vast spectrum of colors available. Transform your living room into a dynamic space that adapts to your mood by incorporating LED strips or smart bulbs. Choose warm, calming tones for relaxation, vibrant hues for lively gatherings, or cool shades for a serene ambience. With a simple tap on your smartphone, you can instantly alter the atmosphere, ensuring your living room reflects the mood you desire. Architectural accents. Unleash your creativity by using LED lights to accentuate the architectural features of your living room. Install LED strips along the edges of shelves, beneath cabinets, or around door frames to highlight the unique contours of your space. This not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also creates a visually dynamic environment, making your living room a captivating showcase of modern design. Furniture illumination. Elevate the style quotient of your living room by strategically placing LED lights to illuminate your furniture. Incorporate LED strips beneath sofas, coffee tables, or entertainment centers to cast a subtle glow, emphasizing the elegance of your furnishings. This innovative approach not only enhances the visual appeal, but also introduces an element of warmth, turning your living room into a cozy retreat. Interactive light installations. For those seeking the truly immersive experience, consider incorporating interactive LED installations. Install motion-sensitive lights that respond to movement, creating a dynamic interplay between you and your living space. Whether it's a floor adorned with LED tiles that light up with each step or wall-mounted lights that react to hand gestures, these installations add a futuristic and engaging dimension to your living room. Ceiling elegance. Don't overlook the power of ceiling lighting to redefine the ambience of your living room. Install LED panels or pendant lights with adjustable brightness to control the overall illumination. Create a starry night effect with LED ceiling lights that mimic the night sky, fostering a serene and dreamy atmosphere. This overhead approach adds a touch of sophistication while ensuring a well-lit and inviting living space. LED strip lighting has become a staple for those seeking to infuse a touch of creativity and sophistication into their living spaces. While ceiling lights provide a fundamental source of illumination, supplementing them with the subtle brilliance of LED strip lighting adds a layer of depth, transforming your living room into a dynamic and inviting haven. In this article, we'll delve into the art of using LED strip lighting to craft a distinctive atmosphere without the need for a major layout overhaul. LED strip lighting has emerged as an indispensable tool for those seeking to infuse creativity and sophistication into their living spaces. While conventional ceiling lights serve as fundamental sources of illumination, the addition of LED strip lighting introduces a subtle brilliance that transcends the ordinary, transforming the living room into a dynamic and inviting haven. In this article, we'll explore the art of using LED strip lighting to craft a distinctive atmosphere, offering a pathway to a refreshed living space without the need for a major layout overhaul. The accent wall ambience. One captivating way to leverage LED strip lighting is by creating an accent wall that becomes a focal point in your living room. Install LED strips along the edges or behind furniture to cast a gentle glow, highlighting the contours of the space. Experiment with different colors to evoke specific moods, calming blues for relaxation or vibrant hues for energetic gatherings. This simple addition can redefine the entire character of your living area. Dynamic cove lighting. Give your living room a touch of sophistication with cove lighting using LED strips. Concealed along ledges or recessed spaces, these strips create a soft, indirect illumination that adds depth and warmth. This dynamic lighting technique can be adjusted according to your mood, offering a subdued glow for intimate moments or a brighter ambience for lively social gatherings. Illuminated Shelving Showcase. Transform mundane shelving units into captivating displays by incorporating LED strip lighting. Install the strips along the edges of shelves to illuminate your books, art pieces, or cherished belongings. Tailoring choices to your space. The world of LED light strips is vast, ranging from different color temperatures to varying levels of brightness and even smart functionalities. Before diving into installation, assess the specific needs of your space. Are you aiming for a cozy ambience or a vibrant, energizing atmosphere? Tailoring your LED light strip choices to match the desired mood is the first step in curating a lighting experience that complements your living space. Considering placement with purpose. Every nook and cranny of your living space holds unique potential for LED light strip installation. Carefully consider the purpose of each area and how lighting can enhance it. For instance, under-cabinet LED strips in the kitchen can provide functional task lighting, while accentuating architectural details with LED strips along a hallway can create a captivating visual journey. Deliberate placement ensures that each strip serves a purpose, contributing to the overall aesthetic and functionality of your space. Crafting ambience with color. The color palette of your LED light strips plays a pivotal role in setting the ambience of a room. Warm tones create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for living rooms or bedrooms. On the other hand, cooler hues can add a modern and refreshing touch to spaces like kitchens or home offices. Don't hesitate to experiment with color combinations to find the perfect balance that resonates with your personal style and the intended mood of each room. Balancing brightness for practicality. The brightness level of LED light strips should be tailored to the practical requirements of each space. Task-oriented areas, such as workspaces or reading nooks, may benefit from brighter lighting for enhanced visibility. Meanwhile, spaces designed for relaxation, like a cozy corner or bedroom, may benefit from softer, subdued lighting. Striking the right balance ensures that your LED light strips not only contribute to the aesthetics, but also serve their functional purpose seamlessly. Selecting and placing LED light strips is a thoughtful and creative process that can significantly elevate the ambience of your living space. By understanding the unique characteristics of your space and the diverse options available, you can embark on a journey of illuminating your home with purpose and style. As you explore the myriad choices in the world of LED lighting, remember that each decision contributes to the symphony of light that transforms your living space into a personalized haven of brilliance.